Enterprise Ventures Corporation's Bridge Tool Deluxe kit returns H-60 and S-70 aircraft to mission readiness faster. The kit contains 18 tools for the removal and installation of H-60 and S-70 aircraft transmission and associated components, and prevents the dislocation of transmission dowel pins. The following shows working examples of 4 of the 18 tools. The result is sustainable process improvement over conventional methods. The toolkit reduces total maintenance hours by up to 75%, prevents costs by eliminating maintenance-induced damage, and improves maintainer quality, effectiveness, and efficiency. Toolkits are being used successfully at more than 18 U.S. Army and Federal Aviation maintenance facilities. Each bridge toolkit comes with a training video and laminated work instructions. Return H-60 and S-70 aircraft to mission readiness faster with the Bridge Tool Deluxe kit.